it is up to me to...
Wow, you're hard.
I believe the word you're looking for is solid.
That is not the word I am looking for.
That's all thanks to shake weight.
Oh, shake a weight, you say, huh? Looks more like a Twinkie weight. Ha ha.
You notice how loud they get once we start hitting each other?
No, I notice how loud they get after you hitting me.
Try it again.
Very well, but this time the two-handed special. Who's a naughty kitty? I am. What the heck was that?
Stomach attack.
Where did you learn that?
Kung Fu Panda. That's because you're not a panda.
It's true, I'm more of a cheetah.
You're more of a cheetah.
See. Ah! My nipple!
I'm sorry, that was your nipple, I'm sorry.
See, that wasn't my nipple. Whoa, whoa, whoa! If you are going to hit me, you better knock me out. Because I do not want to get hit again.
All right?
Whoa, forget about that! Ah! Hey, lady! Kissing my boo-boo, huh? 1 second!
All right. Sir?
No. I did not draw on you. You see, it is a twitch. It is a family condition. I get it from my mother.
Did he or did he not draw his sword on me?
Hey, shut up. This is a no tucking, no giggling, tooling zone.
Clearly, my lord, you want to take this fight to the next level.
See, I want to take it to the next level.
I just said that. See, let us ask the bloodthirsty mob. Shall we take this fight to the next level? Very well.
Very well. Rule number 1, insult fighting to the death. Seek the higher ground.
Rule number 2 in sword fighting. Walk in slow motion and say heroic catchphrases.
Like what?
By the power of Grayskull.
I like that one.
There can only be one! And my favorite, diamonds are a girl's best friend.
I like rule number 3 better. My personal favorite, fly like a birdie! Hey, does these silks make my butt look big?
No, but it makes your head look small. My lord, in England, where I come from, when one fights another, but they offer a proper dueling salute.
Oh, yeah?
To show honor and respect.
How do they do that?
Let us gingerly touch our tips.
That sounds weird.
Let's just fight. See? Very well, sir, I offer you my salute. High, in the air.
Hey! Watch where you're pointing those things!
I am his sword! Shall I give him back his sword? Aye or nay? Shall I give him back his sword? Well, I have this for you to consider. As much as I might like to, I can't possibly duel this gentleman, unless, of course, it was said that he died. with his sword in his hand.
In that case, I do not need it.
Hold him!
Hold me! He's not a cuddler. Hey, did you all see the muscles on this guy right here, huh?
Sir, you're very strong.
Very strong.
Someone needs to call the vet. Because those puppies are sick. I'll leave it to this mob. Shall the fight continue? Aye or nay? Nay. That's all I'd say. Now then, show us your salute, or there'll be hell to pay, little man.
Oh, I shall show you, little man. But I say this. I say we use the seldom seen and never requested swords of doom.
Well, what do the people say? Shall we use the swords of doom? Aye. The people have spoken.
The people have spoken.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 drama. Very well, sir. I offer you my salute. High in the air for honor.